I'm on a mission, really. That's why I'm here.
He's had a long, distinguished career in law, but former Chief Justice of the New Hampshire Supreme Court, John Broderick, says this is the most important work he's ever done.
I would speak every day if I could. I've turned down no invitations, and I'll keep doing that as long as they keep coming.
In the past 3 years, he's spoken at more than 150 schools in 4 states, reaching almost 100,000 people, having honest conversations about mental illness without judgment or stigma.
Half of all mental illness in the United States, half, begins by age 14. My son was 13 years old.
His son's battle with depression and anxiety and the years of suffering his family endured have become catalysts for him to talk about a problem that can't be ignored.
I now realize what I never realized. I understand mental illness affects a lot of people and families, and I now know that silence is not our friend and ignorance solves no problem.
His goal is simple: get this card in the hands of as many people as possible. It lists the 5 signs that could mean someone needs help. They are personality change, feeling withdrawn, agitated, not taking care of themselves, and overcome with hopelessness. Through Dartmouth Hitchcock's React Awareness campaign, Broderick encourages people to recognize emotional suffering, offer support, and act before it's too late.
How many more suicides do we need to read about before we start talking about it? Not about suicide, but about mental illness. It's way past time. If the system of care for breast cancer is at 10, the system in America for treating mental health is maybe at 2 or a 3. We have a long way to go.
Broderick says it's a conversation that kids want to hear, but sometimes it's a challenge to connect with their parents.
If we don't change that, this generation will be lost.
Broderick wants to show people there's no shame in mental illness and that help is out there.
As Yogi Berra might have said, if nothing changes, nothing changes. It's true, by the way. If nothing changes, nothing will change. So I'm just trying to start the change.
For Project Community, Mike Cronin, WMUR News 9.